everyone! After creating and uploading a photo of your 3 thumbnail sketches, it's time to move on to creating your final drafts. For my final draft, I began by folding a piece of computer paper in half vertically. That way, it matched the same shape as my thumbnail sketches. I then started to draw my preferred sketch in pencil, large enough to fill the space of my final draft paper. I used a ruler to help give my design cleaner, crisper lines. I am trying to recreate the images as best and as close to my original thumbnail sketch as possible. When done drawing my design, I then went over my lines with a thin marker to define the contour lines. For this project, one of the goals is to try and create value with the supplies you have at home. While I could have just stopped after using pencil and pen to create the values on my design, I felt pops of color were needed to finalize my idea. When done adding value to your designs, make sure to photograph and upload your final designs to the Unit 1 tab of your Art 1 notebook. I will be providing feedback as your designs come in.